are going to love the 2018 Audi S5. The muscular sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, navigation package, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.